In this video, I'm going to just play for you with the backing track my arrangement of the first Noel. This one is for the Koloha giveaway, #UkeMiss Challenge. Check the link below to get all the details about that, how you enter, also how you get the sheet music and the backing tracks to this particular arrangement. So here we go. 1, 2. So there's my arrangement and performance of the first Noel. Don't forget to check the link below, grab the tab and sheet music, grab the backing tracks, and get all the details on how you can enter the #UkeMiss Challenge to possibly win a Koloha ukulele. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.